Hey Middle Earth fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel to another video. Today I have got in another classic series. It is of the Coronation Arwen, and this is the version where you see her at the end of the trilogy in Return of the King. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. Love elves. They're so cool. Come on. There we go. And oh, I see. Cool. Right on. Let's just put this down here. Bring this over here. I'll put this in the middle. Unravel this. And they, oh, I see what they did. Let's try to see. Perfect. Oh, that's cool. I'll show you this in the close-ups here, guys. I'm just gonna get this so I can show you guys the bottom here. And this is created by Bridget Woost. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Very, very cool. Love it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is amazing, guys. The likeness of Liv Tyler playing Arwen in this is spot on. This is perfect. This is absolutely amazing. Oh my God. I can't say oh my God enough on this. And her headdress is just beautiful on this. And her hair. And I'll show you in the close-ups, they put like those petals that you see at the end of the movie, you know, in Return of the King. This is just a glorious piece, guys. Oh wow. And her portrait is spot on in this statue, like perfectly. This is just awesome. So, oh my God. And her ears, her elven ears are spot on as well. But I cannot, for the portrait, I'm in awe, guys. I'm like, oh my God, this is just fantastic. This is like, wow. This is just an awesome piece. So, and just her dress and everything. This is a fantastic piece, guys. Weta, if you guys are watching this, you nailed this out of the park. This is a 10 out of 10. The portrait is just spot on perfect. I absolutely love this piece. Thank you, Weta. Wow. Yeah, no, I can't say any more on this one, so I'm going to get you right into the close-ups, and you will see why when I show you this. So let's get you some close-ups now. So happy with this one. Very, very cool, guys. I'll show you the dress and everything. And I like how her arms and just museum pose. And the details on her dress are just out of this world, like especially on her sleeve. And then her gown. And these are the petals, what I mean, guys. That is just fantastic. I absolutely love this. And look at her hair. and her headdress. This is so cool, guys. I love the headdress. You can see her elven ears there. There's her headdress there a little bit more. All the details on her sleeves. Wow. And then her hands. That's right. Let's back it up. But look at this, guys. Liv Tyler right there playing Arwen. This is just fantastic. Spot on. Cheekbones. This portrait is just awesome. Absolutely love it. The front of her headdress and everything, so cool. This is a fantastic piece, guys. And like I said, I love the elves. She is the daughter of Elrond. And then there's the petals again. Very cool touch for end of the movie. Just a little bit of styrofoam there. Very, very cool, guys. I absolutely love this statue. It is just awesome. Like I said, for me, this is a 10. Look at the headdress. That is just awesome. So this is Arwen. Coronation Arwen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in an upcoming video.